In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Let's dive in and break down these steps so you can confidently manage your financial transactions within QuickBooks. First, head over to the QuickBooks website. If you don't already have an account, take a moment to sign up. Otherwise, you can simply sign into your existing QuickBooks Online account. Once you're logged in, continue by selecting the company file you want to work with. This is important because journal entries are specific to the company file you have open, ensuring accurate financial recording. Next up, you'll want to navigate to the main QuickBooks dashboard. Here, you'll find the plus create button at the top corner. Clicking this will bring up a menu of transaction types. From there, you'll click on Journal Entry. This option allows you to manually record your financial transactions, which is crucial for making adjustments or corrections to your accounts. Now, let's move on to creating the journal entry itself. Start by entering the correct journal date. This date should reflect when the transaction took place. If you're posting an entry for a previous or upcoming period, ensure that the accounting period is open in QuickBooks. This step is essential for maintaining accurate records aligned with your reporting periods. With the date set, it's time to fill out the debit line. In the account column, choose the account you're debiting. Enter the debit amount next to it. Feel free to add a description or a name, such as a vendor or customer, to help you track the purpose of this transaction later. Once you've completed the debit line, it's time to move on to the credit line. Here, you'll select the account you're crediting in the row below the debit. The credit amount should match the debit amount for the transaction to balance. As with the debit line, you can add additional details like a description or name for your reference. If your transaction involves multiple accounts, you can add extra lines. Additional rows allow you to distribute the debits and credits across various accounts as needed. Just remember, your total debits must always equal your total credits before you can save the entry. At the bottom of the journal entry form, there's an attachments field. Use this to upload any supporting documents like spreadsheets or invoices that provide context or evidence for the transaction. Including all necessary documentation is crucial for bookkeeping and auditing purposes. Finally, save the journal entry by clicking Save and Close or Save and New, depending on whether you're entering another journal entry right away. The entry posts immediately to the ledger, updating your financial records. If you need to review or modify your journal entries, QuickBooks provides convenient reporting tools. Navigate to Reports and either Journal or Transaction Journal to view your entries. From there, clicking on any entry allows you to edit or delete it as necessary, ensuring your records remain accurate and up to date. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to navigate and use journal entries in QuickBooks Online. Thank you for watching, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need to refresh these steps.